hard anyway for anybody doing a renovation. You know, the planning of it, the living through the the chaos, and making sure that you set it up in the right way, that everything's designed. And, you know, I think that's where you come in really brilliantly from, you know, design perspective. I think that's so helpful. And I look back to, you know, working with you on my kitchen, and we both, you know, it was before I was even an organiser then, but, you know, I had quite clear ideas of what I wanted.
Very clear.
Very clear. And you know what, though? I think between us, having now my kitchen, I have not regretted it one day. There is nothing that I would change in terms of functionality and accessibility. I'd probably change my kitchen style, but, you know, it works, it's function, and I love it. And it's easy to cook in every day. It's easy to entertain, and it's everything that I wanted it to be. And I think that's what's important, isn't it?